With digital cameras getting faster, lighter, smarter every year, it is refreshing to see many people also start to incline to film photography. Today, I would like to show you a zine created by one of my favorite X-Pen photographer. Let's check out the Extra Wide number 2. I'm going to be giving this zine and one more photography magazine away. You will find out more about this at the end of the video. If you like this content and want to see more, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friends. It really helps producing more videos like this one. Robin Schimko is a photographer and YouTuber based in Germany. On his channel, The Real Sir Robin, he uploads a lot of videos about street photography, which is a great passion of him. He mainly uses Leica cameras, and besides his M6, he also shoots a lot with his Leica Q. Another camera he features a lot is the Hasselblad X-Pen. In this race where many camera companies try to compete with a lower price and more frames per second, Hasselblad seems to be running in the opposite direction. Hasselblad X-Pen, introduced in 1998 in partnership with Fuji, is heavy and expensive film camera with only 3 lenses. And yet, when you check the second-hand market, the camera is getting more and more expensive every day, as well as loved among film photographers. It is a 35mm rangefinder that, by the way, can also shoot panoramic photos. You can actually switch between 35mm frame and panorama, even mid-roll. Even though it is a film camera, it runs on batteries and it's full of electronics. The way the camera works is that it lets you photograph on regular 35mm film, basically taking 2 exposures side by side. And this zine takes an advantage of that. I think it is worth mentioning that this is actually the second zine Robin produced with X-Pen. As the first one has been sold out for quite some time, rather than reprint the same zine again, Robin decided to produce a new one. Now, camera like this also presents a lot of challenges. The challenge for Robin with the zine was actually the lens. He prefers to shoot 28mm on a regular 35mm frame, and the 45mm on his X-Pen is too narrow in terms of height. He wanted to get the 30mm lens, but unfortunately it is hard to get and also crazy expensive. When you check Robin's YouTube channel, you can also watch his process and see how he actually takes his images. The other challenge I personally see is the manual focus. Being a Leica M shooter, I know manual focus can be tricky, especially when you want to make a fast shot. What I like about the photos in the zine is that they are nicely recomposed, even though the initial focus had to be in the center of the frame. The aspect ratio is the selling point of the camera, but also what stands out in this zine. What I like most about this zine is actually the form factor and how it is used to make a use of the wide photographs, like for example in this shot. What this aspect ratio of the photographs combined with the format of the zine lets you to make is a beautiful spread, as you can print one photograph on both pages or connect 2 photos that they look like one long photograph. My most favorite shot is probably this one with the cat. I just love the colors, contrast, and of course the aspect ratio. One thing that you also notice is that, except for a few photographs at the end of the zine, most of them were taken during the daytime. The reason is probably because the fastest lens you can get for the X-Pen is f4. Now, let's talk about some technical details. The book has 64 pages and 39 images. What I found interesting is that the black and white photos were actually shot using black and white film rather than converted later. Apart from the street photography theme, there seems to be no other connection of the photographs. I also asked Robin to say a few words about the zine and his YouTube channel.
This year has been horrible for many people, and especially for street photography it has been a pretty bad year so far. However, it is important to remember that in every crisis lays a chance. I've tried and I'm still trying to make the best out of it, so very soon I'll be back with a bunch of new videos, including new X-Pen episodes.
If you would like to see more photographs, check out Robin's Instagram, and if you would like to buy the zine, link is in the description. I'm going to be giving away the zine and it will be on my Instagram and my new Facebook page in 14 days. All you need to do to participate is to let me know in the comments what is your favorite photograph from the zine. I also realized I still need to finish the giveaway of the iShot magazine, so if you want to participate in that, check out that video as well. Also, thank you for the support on this channel. I've recently switched my style a little bit and it seems like a lot of you actually like it. I know this is going to sound like a cliche, but if you like this content, consider subscribing, and if you really want to get notified, use the bell icon. I'm not posting too often, so I promise I won't bother you too much. Consider sharing the video with your friends, it really helps to small channels like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.